Pull handles, high temperature resistant. High temperature resistant handles are designed for demanding industrial environments. Made from reinforced thermoplastic, they offer exceptional strength, durability, and reliable performance under high temperatures. Ideal for machinery, equipment, and applications where heat resistance and operator comfort are essential. Pull handles detachable. Oval aluminum detachable pull handles combine a modern design with practical functionality. Made from high-quality aluminum, they offer strength, durability, and a comfortable grip. The detachable design allows quick installation and easy removal, making them ideal for machine guards, access panels, and industrial equipment. Pull handles metal detectable. Metal detectable plastic handles are designed for food, pharmaceutical, and hygiene-sensitive applications. Made from metal detectable plastic, they help reduce contamination risks while offering strength, durability, and reliable performance in demanding environments. Tubular handles adjustable. Adjustable aluminum tubular handles offer a perfect combination of strength, versatility, and ergonomic design. Manufactured from high-quality aluminum, they are lightweight, corrosion-resistant, and built for demanding industrial applications. The adjustable handle length provides flexibility for different mounting requirements, making them ideal for machine guards, equipment enclosures, and access doors where reliability and user comfort are essential.